Hey guys, what's up? So today is going to be a middle school makeup tutorials video because I'm in middle school and where I live it goes from 7th grade to 9th grade, but in other places it's 6th grade to 8th grade and I'm only in 8th grade, so I decided to just make it the 6th grade to 8th grade one. I know I look like I should be in like 7th grade, but and so yeah, that's it. Let's get into the video. So to start out my 6th grade look, I took my Mega Wear, One Wild Mega Wear mascara and put that on. Then next I took a pink and white EOS. I don't know the exact flavor of it, but I put that on. And then I took my NYX Away We Go makeup palette, and I think the shade's called Crushed Rose. I took the blush and put that on. Just dabbed it on my cheeks. And that's it for 6th grade. To start my 7th grade look, I took my Mary Kay powder foundation and put that all over my face. Then I took my Mary Kay concealer after this, put that on, and then blended it all out. Just put it along my nose, my chin, underneath my eyes. And usually I'll do it on my forehead too, but I didn't today. So I didn't on this makeup look because I forgot. Then I took my Maybelline baby lips in light pink shade, put that on. Then I took my Maybelline Great Lash waterproof mascara and put that on. It's kind of hard to do mascara with using the viewfinder as a mirror. And then I took the NYX blush again, put that on. And that is it for the 7th grade look. So on to the 8th grade look. In this one I started out with my Mario Rescue. I don't really know how to say the last name. Skincare facial spray and put that on. Then I put on my foundation, but I didn't show that because I showed it in the 7th grade one. I did show the concealer one again. This time I remembered to put it on my forehead and blend that all out. And then I took the NYX Away We Glow palette again, took the blush again and put that on. And then on the NYX Away We Glow palette, I also took this more brown color and used it as a bronzer. I think that's what it's meant for. And then I put that all over my face. Well, not all over my face, sorry, on my chin and around my cheeks. Not on my chin, my forehead and around my cheeks. And then I took my Great Lash mascara again from Maybelline, put that on. It was kind of, yeah, I don't know if I already said this, but it was kind of difficult to do mascara in a viewfinder. It was so weird, I was gonna mess everything up with it. And then I will either take my Mary Kay lip gloss in shade Fancy Nancy or my NYX lip gloss, pink buttery lip gloss, depending on the day and how I feel. And today I used the NYX one. Then I took my LA Colors eyeshadow in the shades Nude, and I put a light pinkish color in the, what's it called? How do I remember this? Like the crest of your eye? I don't know. And then I took a more purplish color and put it on the outside a bit more. And I messed up pretty bad on this eye, so I had to go off of camera and fix it. And then after I did that, I filled in my eyebrows with my Mary Kay eyebrow pencil. And it didn't make a huge change because I'd already put in on eye pencil that day, but usually my eyebrows are pretty blonde. And then I finish it off with this facial spray again, and that's it. that was it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I helped give you some ideas for makeup if you're in middle school. And I'm not an expert or anything, but I hope that it helped in some way. So yeah, that was it. Bye. See you in the next video.